We want. We want. We want.
আমার মাটি আমার মা
দর্শকদের হবে না
নায়ক নায়িকাদের লোক কলেজ দিচ্ছে না
This issue is not so small as it seems. We have to stop it from the very root of it. He was an ex-student and he was there in this college and only to just take control over the whole college. And why is that happening? Why are people who have not passed the examination getting into the college? It is not merit-based. It is just you take the money and you get people into the college. We cannot admit these kind of people because there are a lot of deserving candidates who do not get seats.
As per Monojit Mishra, he was like really humble. What we thought that he's a humble person. He is friendly. He's friendly with the juniors. He like took care of us. Took care of us in the sense that he never shouted at us. So we thought that he is a really humble person. He is a safe person. This is something. This is why we are shocked. Like literally what happened in this college.
Some hearsay we used to get that yes, there was some problem with him, but like that we haven't faced anything. As I'm saying that last 1 year we didn't come to the college. The juniors first year and second year used to get involved with him, and yes, we heard something, but not such a heinous thing.
This is not acceptable. This can't be the fate of any individual, any student. This is not justified. This is not acceptable. But because we are also a girl, we are also the running student of this college, then the only question I want to ask the authority, where is the security of us? What's the fate of us? The running student, what's the fate of their? I like you really very much. And then he started touching her misappropriately and these things happened. But nobody could say anything to him because obviously he was powerful and we knew that, so nobody said anything to him. While we were coming back, he was sitting on the girls' laps and all of my seniors' laps, and he was telling them to sit on his laps because somehow he felt that he could do that, and nobody could say anything. And this was the one incident, and other incidents where he has been breaking people's heads and all of these things have happened.
খুব আনসেফ লাগছে যে মেয়ে পড়তে পাঠিয়েছে এখানে, এটা মানে খুব দুঃখের বিষয়। আমাদের পক্ষে খুব বুকের মধ্যে কাঁপছে যে মানে আমার মেয়ে কি সেফ কালকের জন্যে, আজকের জন্যে তো এরকম ঘটনা একদম আশা করছি না। মানে বুকের মধ্যে সত্যি কাঁপে, মেয়েকে ছেড়ে কলেজে ছাড়তেই বুকে কাঁপে। মানে সেই জন্যে এসে থাকা, প্রেসের সামনে আমার কোনো ইয়ে নেই, কিন্তু আমি চাই এটা ইয়ে হোক, জাস্টিস হোক, কোনো মেয়ের যেন ক্ষতি না হয়। আর এটা একটা পড়াশোনার ইনস্টিটিউশন, এখানেও যদি আমরা সেফ না হয় তাহলে বাকি রাস্তাঘাট তো আমাদের পক্ষে কিছু বলতেই পারবো না।
CCTVs got installed after the incident.
Okay, earlier it was not there.
Earlier it was not there, only 1 or 2 maybe there. So that is also included in our deputation for which we have come today. We are giving this deputation to the authorities that we need some CCTVs installed in the college because it's a matter of our safety also. Our sister has faced this thing. It could have been us, any one of us.
Because this college, the institution, the holy institution that we trust for our future, we can't even explain how does it feels to see our college in the headlines. We always as a student want to represent our college in good terms. We don't actually expect that we will ever see our college in headlines like this. No.
We want like a proper management in the college because whatever happened as students, it's like really disturbing and nothing is feeling right because it is not. It is like the most filthiest stuff that can happen in a college, in a law college to be very honest, and it's an irony. So this is the reason why we are here. We are for the victim. We are standing up for the victim because she was one of us. She was a junior from first semester, and this is why, and we want that management, and we have a hope in the judiciary that justice must be shown. So
আমারও নিজের জীবনে একটা ইয়ে আছে, আমি বিচার পাইনি, নিজের জীবনে বিচার পাইনি। সেখানে আমার মেয়েকে আমি চেয়েছিলাম ল পড়িয়ে একটুখানি নিজের সমাজের লোককে একটুখানি বিচার দেবে যারা এরকম, সেখানে এরকম খুব দুঃখের, আমার খুব দুঃখের ব্যাপার এটা। এটা আমি চাই একটা বিচার হোক, সব মেয়েরা সেফ থাকুক।